Now third phase, third stage में आते हैं. Third stage started around 145 million years ago. Okay, it started around 145 million years ago. That phase we call Jurassic. You might have seen the movie Jurassic Park. कई series हैं उसमें. That period of dinosaurs started earlier. Triassic, Jurassic, and late Cretaceous में खत्म हो गई. Okay. Now 145 million years ago, or Jurassic period, what happened? Splitting of what? Laurasia and what? Gondwana, and creation of the ocean started because of this. So that means here splitting of what? Splitting of northern hemisphere and what? Southern hemisphere continents. Splitting of this. Now, okay, splitting of northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere continent. So initially, this is one landmass and this is attached with what? Another landmass. You try to understand. This is what called North America. This is what called Europe, and this is called what? This is the situation arise. North America, Europe, and what? Asia. This is a Laurasian land, northern hemisphere landmass. Laurasia break down into North America, Europe, and Asia. And Tethys Sea in this period grows. Tethys Sea is growing. That means started in Triassic, and Tethys Sea is what? Broadening up. So in the southern part, what called? South America. Then is what called? Hello? Africa. A small part with what called? How the diagram will emerge? Small part with what? India. Then is what called? Right, Australia, and this part is called what? Antarctica. At least schematic presentation, no need for accuracy with the scale, or just rough sketch is sufficient. Make your work done. And you know you will get very less time for answer writing. जानते हो कितना समय मिलता है? Exactly, 10 marker, 7 minutes मिलते हैं. So आपको diagram बनाना है, write all the points, and moved out to the next question. Average time. So now this water body become what? Hello? This is broad enough. Tethys Sea. So now this is a third phase, and between third phase and the fourth phase,